Do you think then that it was right that the judge should have asked the cyclist to pay £100,000? You know,
I had no idea that was part of the outcome. That seems really excessive.
Yeah.
I to be honest, I have no more detail on the case other than the fact that both were, you know, ruled to be at fault. But I didn't know the extent of the pedestrian's injuries.
Yeah.
I mean, that seems a lot of money. It's very hard to comment, as I say, unless I was literally an eyewitness.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's what to say. We're in a busy city. I mean, I see cyclists behaving completely recklessly, irresponsibly. Pedestrians, and I've done it too, though. You know, and I'm an old guy. You know, looking down at my phone and then, oh mate, get out of the way. You know.
Yeah. Do you think that cyclists should have insurance? Do you think that should be made compulsory?
No. I can't imagine that would. You'd still get incidences happening.
Yeah.
You know, the same as you do obviously with drivers as well. So.
Right.
Yeah. I don't know whether that's a solution.